When applying your logic onto a workflow diagram, we would normally recommend that you start with the conditions that determine if an instance will transition between stages. The conditions are defined on the workflow pathways linking those stages. There are three different condition types available. The first is always if no other condition is met, and that is just fine for this first pathway because we always want a new request to go to the manager for a decision. Let's now look at the path from the manager decision stage to the rejected stage. A simple condition enables us to look at the state or value of a single field on the form, and that will be suitable for this path. We only need to check if the manager rejected radio button has been selected. Press the select button to open a dialog box and drill down into the form to select the manager rejected radio button. Choose the condition underneath, which in this case will be is checked. Now the path between manager decision and IT manager decision. This time we will need to use an advanced condition, because it will be a combination of more than one element in the form. The manager approved radio button needs to be checked, and the value of the request type is IT. It is necessary, of course, to understand the values assigned to various choices in the Forms object. Click the Advanced Radio button in the Path settings and click the Edit button to open the condition editor. In the condition editor, we can build up the condition line by line, and for each element we can choose the value or operator from the options on the right hand side. For an advanced condition of this type, we will also use the logical AND operator to link the two separate conditions into one. The conditions on the remaining paths can be set up in a similar way, with an advanced condition needed on the path between manager approval and approved, and simple conditions on the pathways from IT manager to approved and rejected. Importantly, once you've done this, do remember to save your form. The important thing to remember is that the conditions on the pathways leaving a stage object will determine if a pathway is followed when the form is submitted at that stage. This technique is the same for simple forms like this one, and also for more complex ones too. We still need to finish the logic off with behaviours, but that will be covered in different tutorial videos.